What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time dropping in, Tommy Kentner here. Today, just up at the shop on a Saturday. We got the cars moved around in the front lobby. Got the Supra GTR, wife's STI. Need to get this thing out if it'll quit raining. Go for a drive, but today I'm going to be messing around with the Supra. I'm going to remove this front license plate, try to take some of the stickers off. And then I think it's got a few on the other side. Not for sale. Parent advisory. Explicit drift warning. Oh, okay. And then we got a Vanderbilt University law student. But just gonna be doing some tinkering. Like I said, removing that license plate bracket because we don't have to have one here. And just some tinkering, checking out the Supra.
You left me here alone. You don't pick up the phone. I'm not your enemy. So what do you want from me? Say what you gotta, it really don't matter, it really don't matter to me. Run, run, baby, run away. Sick and tired of the games and you don't know what to say. For me once, for me twice, and apologize. And not again, won't give in, I'm not playing nice. No, run, run, baby, run away. You'd be the death of me, not who I thought you'd be. Don't need your permission, tired of existing.
Alright, got the bracket removed, but I think I'm going to take the polisher to it, see if I can get these lines off where it's been on there forever. But yeah, that does look a lot better. Just wasn't expecting these holes here, but like I said, I'm gonna grab the polisher, see if we can buff that out. Guys, just got a quick Milwaukee polisher, just a normal pad, some Adams polish compound. This stuff's real good, cleans up real well. You don't risk buff or burning your paint because it has a lot of silicone in it. But we're just going to see how it touches up and then go from there.
Sick and tired of the games and you don't know what to say. For me once, for me twice, and apologize. And not again, won't give in, I'm not playing nice. No, run, run, baby, run away. You'd be the death of me, not who I thought you'd be. Don't need your permission, tired of existing inside of this prison. Run, baby.
Alrighty, didn't bring it 100% back, but you can still see the line where it's been on there. But I'll probably get this painted and then get them to fill in those holes. But like I said, you ain't got that big bracket just smack dab in the middle, sticking out like a sore thumb. Alright, I think I'm gonna see if I can get this off, or I might have to get a eraser wheel, and it's for taking stickers off paint so it don't damage the paint. If not, I'll move on to the stickers on here because I got a plastic razor blade and it's not going to hurt the glass, which you can use a real razor blade too.
Inside of this prison. But I don't regret a thing.
Got those stickers removed. Working on this one, but all that's left is the adhesive. So after a pretty good bit of digging, found an actual razor blade. And it takes it off a lot easier than the plastic one. And it won't scratch the window either. But I'm gonna get this done, guys, and then I'll be back with you to grab this one. Alrighty, got all the adhesive removed. It actually burnt that image in the glass. That's fun. Got this one off. Got that sticker off. That one came out pretty easy. That one did too. But good. Just working on getting her cleaned up. But guys, but I just wanted to do kind of a different video today. Just cleaning up the Supra. Like I said, just picked it up, got big plans, and I actually kind of like how this is going to work out, because we're going to be doing the engine on this and this, so we can kind of get in the battle of RB versus 2J, and we're going to see both problems. We already know RB's got problems, but we'll have to figure out what JZ problems are like too. Try to make a fair comparison and then see how numbers fall. So I think I will end up putting a bigger turbo on the JZ because it doesn't have the cylinder crack, but I already had a built motor for this, and I got a built motor for this. Just have to get time to actually work on personal cars versus customer cars. The wife has got a new lip for hers. We will be making videos on her. She's got a 3000 GT. It's having issues. If you follow the channel and you like VR4 content, we're going to be trying to get that thing up and running. I didn't want to buy the car because I knew it was going to have problems, but it ran good when we picked it up. But now all it does is crank. Mitsubishi problems. But we will be working on that soon. Got a lot of work to do. Big builds this year. Really looking forward to 23. It's my birthday date, so I think it's going to be a good year. We're going to try to do a lot of racing, try to push out a lot of content, guys. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, give us a like, drop a comment, let us know what your plans are for 2023, and what do y'all got in y'all's projects. Let me know how y'all's year's going. And like I said, look forward to 2023 and getting this going, especially I think we got 2 of the legend cars now. So JD heaven right now. And guys, if you haven't seen the new shop, swing by and drop in, say hi, check out the new shop. And well, that'll be the end of this video. Like I said, just a quick walk around. Adrian got her pretty cleaned up. We got some videos coming on Roberto's car. Anthony's making us a new intro. And then we got this thing ready for Adam to pick up. And then Gotta get that cleaned up. We did get the door put back here. So now this is framed up. We're literally just waiting for the door to put the dyno and then get all this cleared out, which is kind of just turned into a catch-all. You know how that goes. But as soon as we get that door, I think we can get everything else straightened up and then put some shelves back there to kind of better storage. Peter's car will be going to Fab next week. Tim's going to pick his up for a little bit while we're waiting on parts. So we'll be doing a full engine build on this. But guys, thank y'all for tuning in. And just like that, we'll catch you in the next episode. Peace.
You left me here alone. You don't pick up the phone. I'm not your enemy. So what do you want from me? Say what you gotta. It really don't matter. It really don't matter to me.